Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are looking at two words that sound exactly the same, but one is a moving action and the other is all about time and direction.
Action versus time. That is a great combination. What are the words today?
The words are past and past.
Oh, past and past. Yes, they are perfect twins when we speak, which makes writing them down very confusing for learners.
Exactly. Let's start with past, spelled P-A-S-S-E-D. The golden rule for this word is that it is always a verb. It is the past tense action of the word pass.
Right. It means you physically moved ahead of something or you succeeded at a challenge.
Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you've been studying for weeks for a very difficult driving exam.
You take the test, you are super nervous, but the instructor smiles and hands you your brand new license.
Yes! You would tell your friends, I passed my driving test. You completed the action. Or if you are driving on the highway, you could say, I passed a very slow truck. You did the action of passing.
But now let's look at the second word, past, spelled P-A-S-T. The golden rule for this word is that it is absolutely never a verb. It is not an action.
Exactly. It is usually a noun talking about history, like in the past. Or it is a direction word that tells you where something is.
Let's use a scenario for the direction. Imagine you're giving someone directions to your house. You tell them, walk down the street and go right past the supermarket.
Perfect. You are not doing the action of passing. The verb in your sentence is walk. The word past is just telling them the direction to walk.
But this is exactly where learners get trapped because you can also say, I passed the supermarket with an ED.
Yes, you have to look closely at the sentence. You can say, I passed the supermarket with an ED because past is your only action. But if you say, I walked past the supermarket, you must use the T because walked is already your action.
That is a fantastic way to explain it. You can't have two actions fighting each other. I have a great memory trick for our learners too.
Oh, please share it.
The past with an ED is a past tense verb, just like walked, talked, and jumped. But past with a T is all about time. Time starts with T and past ends with T.
I love that. P-A-S-T is for time. That is brilliant.
Your homework for today. Think about a difficult test you succeeded at. Did you pass it? Practice writing one sentence about an action you passed and one sentence about a time in the past.
Remember, if there is already another action verb in your sentence, like walked or drove, you probably need to use past with a T.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Leave your mistakes in the past. See you next time on Mady English Practice.